Is it in focus? I can't tell. I think Hi.
Hello.
We are going to the very last dance class in this series. We took a dance class and we learned some stuff.
Swing dancing, the
We learned
waltz,
swing, waltz,
foxtrot,
foxtrot,
little salsa,
a little salsa, un poquito.
mainly swing.
Man, this thing, we look really good doing it. I'm gonna see if I can smuggle some footage. We're really good that we're like considering competition now and joining some stuff. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, yeah, that's what we're doing. It's like 45 degrees and life is good. And we're gonna go get some steps in. Don't forget to subscribe and like and give this video a thumbs up and tell us, what do you like to shake your booty to? Okay, bye. You should, don't worry, keep your eyes on the road. We're on our way to Machew's ranking ceremony.
Jiu-Jitsu rank ceremony.
Jiu-Jitsu rank ceremony.
So a rank ceremony is, I mean, it's a ceremony, but you get everybody in the Jiu-Jitsu club together and the professor or the head coach promotes students via a piece of tape on their belt or a whole new belt, depending on if their level. It's like based on time and effort and dedication to the gym.
Yes. And so he is getting something tonight. He's a purple belt and he's gonna get something tonight.
Probably my first degree on my belt.
First degree, not a burn. But okay. Well, we'll see which one he gets. Okay, bye.
See that button?
I saw a lot of stuff.
Been there since day one. To our OGs, the Taekwondo school days. Some of you don't even know. You all know Matt. Matt's another one. Day one, helps out the gym a ton. Helps me out a ton. Always kind of there when I need him, and he knows that doesn't go unnoticed or forgotten or unappreciated. But probably mostly be on your butt. Good job, everybody.
Yeah, go people.
So goddamn good. So, went to ranking, got a stripe or a degree,
Yes.
and it was fun, it was cute. I knocked him out, pushed him down, did some boxing, and now we got a whole bag of goodies. Oh my. So looking forward to it, but we're heading home now just to chill and hang out. So, okay, bye. Our wedding invitations are here. I'm really nervous. I did this online like 2 days ago and they're already here. Let's see. This is from a place called Anne's Bridal Bargains. It's an online website. Aww. I mean, they're not bad.
Next door, you
I thought that's why I like this one because it had so many slots for the pictures. And so I'm like, ooh, yeah, let's do more pictures.
Yeah, so you only picked the one outfit.
Yeah.
The reason why I want the other outfit, I like the other outfit, is because we suffered.
To get those ones, that is true.